Hi, in this video, you will get the basic understanding of what GRE is and its structure. So what is GRE? It's Graduate Record Examinations. Basically, it is a standardized test used for admission to graduate and business schools worldwide. So we will talk about the general GRE test actually. So total test time is approximately 1 hour and 58 minutes. This test is conducted only on computer now. So now let's talk about the test structure. So there are total 3 sections in the general GRE test. There are Analytical Writing section, Verbal Reasoning section, and Quantitative Reasoning section. In Analytical Writing section, total time allocated is 30 minutes. And you have given an issue, you have to analyze it by writing it on paper. In the next section, Verbal Reasoning, there are total 27 questions. Total time allocated is 41 minutes. Approximately 3 passages are given in this section. In the Quantitative Reasoning section, there are total 27 isolated math problems, and some of them are with mathematical visuals like graphs, diagrams, etc. Total time allocated is 47 minutes in this section. So this total GRE exam is conducted on 340 marks, and this analytical writing section is on 6 points. So that's all. Thank you.